Hello there. Today I will show you how to save your icon designs in .ico format in Photoshop. By default, we cannot save as an icon file in Photoshop. Let's see. As you can see, there's no option for save as .ico in our available formats. So we need an additional plugin to Photoshop. Go through the link in description. After downloading, extract the file and copy the format plugin. Then go to the installed path of your Photoshop. There you can see plugin folder. Inside that there will be a folder called file formats, or there's not, create one. Then paste .ico plugin inside the file formats folder, then restart Photoshop. Then create a new project with 256 by 256 resolution, the optimum for icons. Place your design on the canvas. Then go to the file. Go to Save as option. There you will see our new file formats available, even cursor also. Select .ico format and press Save. That's all to do. Try the way and go beyond what Microsoft Windows has given you. Create yourself. Place your ideas in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to Findo Art and share this video with your friends. Keep creating. Let's meet with another video.